When we talk about Sibos being the Davos of the financial services sector, I think it's not totally wrong, but for sure it is the most important gathering of the ecosystem around payments and securities that exists.
Frankfurt is the best place in continental Europe for a conference like Sibos, shaping the future of global finance.
After all your contributions to Sibos over the years, it's kind of the right thing to be kicking off Sibos here, so thank you for that.